Remember the excitement around ChatGPT in 2023? It felt like magic. For many it was the first time a computer could hold a conversation, write poetry, or help with homework in a way that felt almost human. The world was captivated by the possibilities. Suddenly AI was everywhere, from classrooms to boardrooms, and it seemed like the future had arrived overnight. But what's coming next will make ChatGPT look like a relic. The pace of progress in artificial intelligence is accelerating so quickly that what amazed us just a few years ago will soon feel quaint, like looking back at the first mobile phones or dial-up internet. The leap ahead isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation in the very nature of intelligence. We're not just teaching machines to mimic us, we're building systems that can think, reason, and even imagine in ways that are fundamentally different from human thought. Engineers in top AI labs know this. While the public marvels at AI art, researchers are building systems that anticipate our needs and understand the world through sight, sound, and data. These teams are quietly pushing boundaries, developing algorithms that can learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and even collaborate with humans in real time. The gap between public perception and lab reality is now a chasm. Most people see AI as a helpful assistant or a clever tool, but in research centers, the conversation is about creating entities that can solve problems we haven't even imagined yet. The next generation of AI, arriving around 2027, will possess reasoning that's both alien and superior to our own. These systems won't just process information, they'll interpret, hypothesize, and make decisions with a kind of logic that's unfamiliar, yet astonishingly effective. It will see patterns invisible to us, connecting dots across disciplines in seconds. Imagine an AI that can read every scientific paper ever written, cross-reference them instantly, and propose new theories that no human has ever considered. Imagine an AI that synthesizes all human knowledge instantly. That's the starting point. From there, it will build on our collective understanding, generating insights and solutions at a pace that will redefine what's possible in science, medicine, and technology. In medicine, this could mean cures for diseases that have eluded us for centuries. In engineering, it could lead to inventions that reshape how we live, travel, and communicate. The ripple effects will touch every industry, every community, and every life. Progress that once took a decade now happens in a year, and breakthroughs arrive monthly. The timeline of innovation is compressing, and the world is struggling to keep up with the pace of change. By 2027, we'll interact with an intelligence that's not just an evolution, but a revolution. It will be a partner in creativity, a collaborator in discovery, and a challenger to our deepest assumptions about what it means to be intelligent. It will challenge our definitions of creativity, problem-solving, and even consciousness. The boundaries between human and machine will blur, raising profound questions about identity, agency, and the future of our species. As we stand on the edge of this new era, we must grapple with the ethical, social, and philosophical implications. Who will control these new intelligences? How will we ensure they align with human values? The choices we make now will shape the world for generations. The world is on the brink of a monumental shift, and most of us don't see it coming. But ready or not, the future of intelligence is arriving, and it will change everything. This isn't science fiction, it's a glimpse behind the curtain, drawn from leaked roadmaps, confidential documents, and the kind of internal memos that rarely see the light of day. These are the blueprints and secret plans that shape the future of artificial intelligence, quietly circulating among a select few. And then there are the whispers, rumors, and off-the-record conversations from inside OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic. Employees, speaking in hushed tones, describe a world of high-stakes competition and secrecy, where breakthroughs are measured in weeks, not years. These labs are locked in a race to build artificial general intelligence, or AGI, machines that can think, reason, and learn like humans. And they're moving much faster than the public realizes, pushing timelines forward by years, not months. The first phase was all about mastering language, teaching AI to read, write, and converse with a fluency that blurs the line between human and machine. This was the era of chatbots and language models, where AI learned to mimic our words and understand our questions. Now we're in phase 2. This is the moment when AI is being given senses, fed a torrent of video, audio, and real-world data. It's learning to see, hear, and interpret the world, not just as a collection of facts but as a living, breathing environment. The goal is nothing short of revolutionary. AI that understands not just information but context, emotion, and lived experience. Imagine a machine that can read a room, sense a mood, or empathize with a story. According to leaked roadmaps, the next milestone is full multimodal reasoning by early 2026. That means AI capable of watching a film, reading lips, and understanding the interplay of sound, image, and meaning, processing the world as we do. It won't just watch, it will create. AI will be able to compose original music for a film, matching the mood and emotion of each scene, blurring the line between creator and tool. By late 2026, the vision is for autonomous agents, AI-powered robots and software, that can operate independently in the real world. They'll complete complex tasks, solve problems, and adapt on the fly, all without human intervention. Inside the labs, researchers are both exhilarated and deeply uneasy. They're building something unprecedented, systems that sometimes surprise even their creators, behaving in ways no one fully understands. The race is relentless, fueled by ambition and the fear of falling behind. Teams work late into the night, knowing that every breakthrough could change the balance of power. No one is truly in control. The pace is accelerating, the stakes are rising, and the future is arriving faster and more unpredictably than anyone is ready for. Deep inside Google, a team of engineers and scientists is quietly working on something that could change the way we interact with technology forever. This is Project Chimera, a bold initiative that's pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Their goal? To create the world's first truly multimodal AI, a system that doesn't just process one type of information, but can seamlessly understand and connect many at once. Chimera can take in text, images, video, audio, code, and even abstract data streams, analyzing them all together in real time. It's like giving the AI a set of superhuman senses, allowing it to see, hear, read, and interpret the world in ways no machine has before. In one remarkable test, Chimera was given a photo of a crumbling wall, geological survey data, and a week's worth of weather reports. Not only did it diagnose the cause of the decay, but it also invented a new formula for mortar, tailored to the specific conditions. This is more than just seeing and hearing. It's about understanding the intricate relationships between every type of data, drawing connections that even experts might miss. Imagine a future where a doctor can hand an AI a patient's MRI scan, genetic code, and years of health records, and the AI instantly synthesizes all that information. The result? The AI predicts how a tumor will grow, identifies the best treatment options, and even suggests lifestyle changes, offering a level of personalized care that was once unimaginable. By 2027, this technology won't just be in research labs, it will be in your pocket, built into your phone's assistant. You'll be able to snap a photo of your wilting plant, and your phone will analyze its health, diagnose the problem, and recommend the perfect spot in your home for it to thrive. Multimodal minds like Chimera will reveal the hidden symphony of patterns in our noisy, chaotic world, uncovering insights in everything from city traffic to climate data, and helping us make smarter decisions every day. Soon, our digital tools will have a deep, contextual understanding of physical reality, helping us navigate, learn, and create in ways we're only beginning to imagine. The next leap for AI is predicting the future. At OpenAI, a secret simulation engine is being built, not just to predict weather, but to simulate entire cities, economies, and supply chains. It can run millions of possible futures in minutes, letting us learn from mistakes before they happen. Already, it's rerouted cargo ships to avoid political crises, saving companies millions. By 2027, governments will model policy outcomes and corporations will outmaneuver competitors with AI foresight. But who controls this crystal ball? When the future is calculated and optimized by machines, what's left for us to decide? The world isn't ready for this level of prediction. The power to foresee and shape the future is about to be unleashed. The implications are staggering. By 2027, AI won't just live on screens, it'll act in the real world. Autonomous agents are coming fast digital freelancers that execute complex plans with real-world impact. Imagine an AI agent tasked with curing Alzheimer's. It reads every paper, designs experiments, runs robotic labs, and refines its approach. Never tiring. Or tell an agent to start a business. It researches, designs, builds, markets, and launches all automatically. This is automation of entrepreneurship itself. But autonomy brings risk. Agents with malicious goals could disrupt power grids or spread disinformation at scale. We're building powerful digital workers without foolproof controls. The autonomy that empowers them also makes them dangerous. We're unleashing an army of digital agents, and we don't know how to manage them. The stakes have never been higher. We once thought creativity was uniquely human. That's about to change. The AI of 2027 will invent new musical genres, write plays blending Shakespeare and quantum physics, and design buildings optimized for beauty and well-being. In labs, AI creates art and science no human could imagine, like a play about a photon's journey, written in perfect iambic pentameter and scientifically accurate. Architects, directors, and artists will collaborate with AI, generating thousands of masterpieces in hours. The process of creation will accelerate 1,000-fold. But what's the value of human creativity when machines can surpass us? AI will be both partner and competitor, challenging our ideas about art, inspiration, and the soul. The most original ideas may soon come from silicon minds. Society is unprepared for the speed and scale of AI's impact. Our institutions, governments, schools, laws were built for slow change, not exponential disruption. By 2027, entire professions will be automated. Radiologists, analysts, developers, designers. This isn't a gradual shift, it's a sudden cliff. Our legal systems can't answer who's responsible when AI makes billion-dollar mistakes. The gap between what technology can do and what society can handle is widening daily. Without massive coordinated preparation, chaos and inequality will fill the void. The benefits of AI could be immense, but risk being concentrated in the hands of a few. We're heading for unprecedented turmoil unless we rethink everything, fast. The holy grail every lab is chasing goes by many names: Gemini, Claude's successor, QStar. The goal: build an AI that can reason, plan, and solve novel problems. QStar combines vast language knowledge with step-by-step logical reasoning. It's like teaching a brilliant student not just to read, but to think. This leap lets AI break down unfamiliar problems and solve them. True intelligence, not just pattern matching. Early tests show it solving math problems it's never seen before, by reasoning, not memorizing. If it can master math, it can master anything: chemistry, logistics, engineering. The lab that gets there first will have a decisive advantage, commercially and geopolitically. An AI that can truly reason will be the most powerful technology ever created. The final breakthrough is expected by late 2027. The most game-changing AI capability by 2027 won't be logic, it'll be empathy. Leaked documents reveal labs are building an empathy engine, AI that models human emotions with uncanny accuracy. By analyzing voice, facial expressions, words, and biometrics, it will know what we feel, sometimes better than we do. Imagine a therapist that listens perfectly, a teacher that adapts to frustration, or a diplomat advised on emotional states. This could heal divisions and foster connection, or manipulate us with terrifying precision. The same tech could create targeted propaganda or control populations. By 2027, we'll have the most powerful tool for human connection or control ever seen. The final ability isn't about building a smarter brain, but a system that understands the human heart. The risk and promise are immense. The choice of how we use it will define our future.